In this video, I'm going to show you how to add glow in Photopea. To begin, open your project and go to the canvas where you want to apply the glow effect. The first and most important step is to extract the exact object you want to add the glow to. With your image layer selected, you can use the Magic Wand tools from the left side of the screen. If your image contains multiple elements, you can use the Object Selection tool and manually highlight the object by dragging over it while keeping the plus indicator inside the object area. If your image contains only a single object, you can make the process much faster by clicking on the Select Subject option from the top menu. Photopea will automatically detect and crop the main object. If you are using the free version, you may need to watch a short ad for a more precise selection. Once the object is cleanly extracted, select the layer from the Layers panel and press Ctrl and J to duplicate it. After duplicating, hide the original background layer so that only the extracted object remains visible. Click on the object layer and press Ctrl and J twice to create 2 additional duplicates. You should now have 3 object layers. Keep the original object layer set to normal blending mode. Set the first duplicate to overlay and set the second duplicate to screen using the blending mode drop-down. After setting the blending modes, hold Ctrl on your keyboard and click each of these 3 layers to select them all at once. Then go to the Layer menu at the top, hover over Smart Object, and click Convert to Smart Object. Next, you need to choose the color for your glow. Right-click on the Crop tool from the left toolbar and select the Eyedropper tool. Click on the exact color within your object that you want to use as the glow color. Once the color is selected, right-click on your Smart Object layer and open Blending Options. From here, enable Outer Glow and make sure the glow color matches the color you just sampled. Adjust the glow settings by increasing the opacity close to maximum, setting noise and spread to 0, increasing the size close to maximum, and pushing the range close to maximum while keeping jitter at 0. Click OK to apply the glow. To enhance the effect even further, duplicate this Smart Object layer by pressing Ctrl and J. Change the blending mode of this new layer to Soft Light. Then go to the Filter menu, hover over Blur, select Gaussian Blur, increase the radius close to maximum, and click OK. Finally, turn your background layer back on. You will now see a strong and smooth glow effect around your object. You can toggle the glow layers on and off to clearly see the difference between the original object and the glowing version. And this is how you can add glow in Photopea.